Morning, y'all. It's raining here. I ain't made a video in a while. So, I was busy about all day yesterday. About all weekend. TJ come by, he helped me. We got Miss Debbie's truck fixed and hauled some slabs for a guy that got some health issues, so try to help him out. Give his little S10 a tune-up. Hope y'all can see me. It's probably kind of dark looking in here. But we're going to make a little video today. Maybe try to get it on. Yeah, we had a few people come by. Hunter come by. Hollered at us the other night. Just come by. Yesterday. But we finally got things on the roll. Got things done. I gave this thing tune up last night. Y'all check this out and see how it sounds. Sound a lot better than it did. I'll have to go to parts out so you can give me a coil wire. We're gonna go for a little ride here. See if I can prop y'all up where y'all can see. Yeah. I just scoops down the seat a little bit. This little booger run. Got me a new door handle from the outside. Just hadn't put it on yet. I don't see nothing coming that way. Alright. See what this little booger will do. Get the mud swung off. Alright. Still got water spots on the window. Watch this. We're gonna get rid of them things. Get around these curves here. Slide off the road. That'd be bad. Miss Debbie get mad. Don't need her being out of shape. Gotta try to keep her women happy now, you know. Gotta treat them right. Here's the way I look at it, y'all. You know, when God made man, he took a rib out of a man to make a woman. Of course, everybody's heard this story, but let me explain it to you. The way I see it, okay? He didn't take part of the back of man's hand so to make a woman, so therefore she's not to be hit on. Y'all hear me out there, guys? Woman is not be, female is not to be hit on. So you got you a woman, you got you a girlfriend, you got you somebody to be with.